Hey guys, welcome back. Today I wanted to show you all 3 of my go-to everyday makeup looks. These looks are super simple, quick, and easy to do. And these are the makeup looks that I wear to work or just when I'm out and about running errands. Please don't forget to subscribe and make sure that your notifications are turned on so you don't miss any videos from me. Let's just go ahead and jump into the tutorial. This first look is one of my go-to looks when I want my makeup to look a little bit more done up, but at the same time, like somewhat natural. First, I'm just priming my eyelids with my Wet n Wild PhotoFocus eyeshadow primer to keep my eyeshadows from creasing. And then I'm just using the Wet n Wild Rosé in the Air palette. And I love this palette for just an everyday palette. It has so many nice matte shades. I'm just going in with that top transition color and putting it in my crease and also in my outer V. And I'm using the little brush that came with my Profusion palette, but any blending brush will work. Then I'm going in with the matte cream color and a shader brush, and I'm just putting that all over my eyelid. For my brow bone and inner corner highlight, I'm going in with my all-time favorite highlight out of the Milani Brow Fix Brow Kit, and I'm using my e.l.f. eye defining brush to apply that. To give this look a more defined and smoky look, I'm going in with this dark chocolate brown and my Morphe M506 brush, and I'm just blending that in the outer V, placing it there on the last little third of my eyelid, and just kind of creating a little bit of like a V shape. I love this makeup brush for blending in the outer V because it allows you to put the color down really precise, but since it is a good tapered blending brush, it allows you to blend the colors out really nicely. To smudge the lower lash line, I'm just using my Pencil E30 brush by Sigma in that same dark chocolate brown. I'm just using some more of that top transition color and blending out the crease, making sure there's no harsh lines or edges, just blending out the outer V. And then I'm taking a little bit more of that color and just blending between the outer V color and the lid color. And then I'm just going back with some more of that cream color and brightening up the lid. I'm grabbing this matte black color out of the My Glamour Squad palette, but any matte black will work. And I'm using the Real Techniques detailer brush, and I'm smudging that color here along my lash line before I go in with my liquid liner. I just want the liner to be extra smudgy and not super defined. I just want it to look really soft. And then I'm gonna go in with the Physicians Formula Eye Booster pen, and I'm just gonna take that liquid liner and put it just right at the base of my lashes, just as close as I can get. And with this look, I don't do any winged eyeliner, but if you would like to, you could do that as well. Then I'm just putting a generous amount of mascara on my upper lashes and lower lashes, and I'm also brightening up my waterline with this Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Highlight. And if you're curious about any of the other products that I used on my face today to complete this look, I will have everything listed below on this look and the other 2 makeup looks. With this second look that I'm showing you guys today, this is my favorite eyeshadow look to do on days when I want my eyeshadow to just look really pretty and feminine, but I just don't have a lot of time. So I use my Maybelline Color Tattoo in Bad to the Bronze, and I just put that all over my eyelid and also up into my crease just a little bit. So you could totally use your finger to apply this, but for me it's just easier to use a makeup brush, so I kind of just use a shader brush and then I go in with the blending brush to blend it out. Now I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Eyeshadow Single in Nutty, and I like to use this to set that Maybelline Color Tattoo just to intensify it and to also give it more of a soft look. I just love these 2 products together. It just creates a fast and easy one eyeshadow look. And then I'm taking a little bit more of that Nutty eyeshadow and blending it on my lower lash line. Then I'm just going back in with my favorite highlight shade and using that as my brow bone highlight and also as my inner corner highlights. Then I just use whatever mascara I'm currently using. I'm using a mix of these 2 just to give my lashes like a really nice fluttery look, and this is the completed look. So it's super easy to do. I love doing this on days when I just want to do something quick. This is another one of my favorite everyday looks, and I'm going to show you a way to do this that's super easy, that makes it even easy for beginners. So just make sure you prime your eyelids. And on days when I'm trying to save on products, I like to kind of multitask my products. So I'm just using my bronzer as my transition shade. So I'm just blending that in my crease and also in my outer V. I just find it's easier on days when you're in a hurry. So now I'm just using my setting powder. It's also another great way to multi-use your products, and I'm just putting that all over my eyelid. This product works great as an eyeshadow because it does have coverage. And I bet you guys couldn't guess what highlight I'm using. My Brow Fix Brow Kit, the highlight in that. If you really wanted to save on products, you could just use whatever highlight shade you were using on your on your cheekbones. Now for the winged eyeliner portion, to do it this way, it makes it so easy for beginners. So first, just go in with the liquid liner. My favorite liquid liner pen is this Physicians Formula Eye Booster pen. So if you do not get the line completely straight and even, don't worry about it, because I go in with a matte black eyeshadow after I get the wing done and smoke it out. So I find that if you're not really good with making your liner completely straight and even, that smoking out the liner makes it look softer and kind of conceals where you messed up. So just go really slow with doing the liner. But like, as you can see, my liner is not absolutely perfect there. So now I'm just going in with the matte black eyeshadow out of the Wet n Wild My Glamour Squad palette. You could use any matte black eyeshadow that you want. And I'm just using that same Real Techniques detailer brush to smudge out the liner. The same brush that I used in the first makeup look. And this brush is just great for smudging, you know, and smoking out liner. So like, as you can see, it just creates a more soft eyeliner effect. And so if you make any mistakes, you're not really going to see it. So you don't need a lot of eyeshadow, just a little bit on the brush to smoke it out. And then I take a little bit more of that shadow on the brush and also put it here, like connect the upper liner to the lower lash line. But I only take it about halfway over. You don't necessarily have to do that step if you don't want to. But it just kind of creates more of like a cat eye shape on the ends. And after I did this makeup look, I kind of wish I would have put some black liner on the waterline. I feel like it would have made it more complete. So you could totally do that if you wanted to. So now I'm just going in and curling my lashes and applying my mascara. And then this is the completed look. So I hope that you guys did enjoy this today. I loved creating all these looks for you all. I hope that you guys did enjoy this. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any video requests for me, let me know down in the comments. And like I said at the beginning, if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe. And let me know down in the comments which look was your favorite. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video, and I hope that you all have an awesome day. Bye-bye.